Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is vanAmsen, and if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more coding adventure. And today we got a pretty cool problem on deck. We are going to find out if two binary trees are identical or not. So this is a LeetCode problem number 100 called same tree. So let's dive in. So alright, let's break down the problem first. We are given the root of two binary trees P and Q. And our task is to write a function that returns true if these trees are the same and false otherwise. So when do we consider two trees to be the same? Well, they have to be structured identically. And the nodes must have the same value. So sounds fun. So let's see example. So if we have, for example, here 1, 2, and 3, and yeah, so those two trees are identical, so we return true. And here we have different trees because we have, here 1 and 2 on the left, and in second tree we have 1, but 2 is on the right. So this output, so those three are not identical, so we output false. So the key to this problem lies in traverse, and well, we will be using a depth first search DFS approach, and the idea is to traverse both trees simultaneously and compare each corresponding node. And if at any point we find discrepancies, we can immediately return false. Otherwise, if we successfully traverse both trees without any issue, they are identical. So let's go and try to implement it in Go programming language. So first base case will be check for null node. So if P equals nil and Q equal nil, return true because they are same null. And P nil or Q equal nil, then return false. So base cases, and then check the values of the current node. So we are checking if P value not Q value, then return false. And recur for left and right subtrees. So return is same tree, P left, Q left, and is same tree, right, and Q right. Okay, so this is our code. So let's run it to verify it's working. So simple logic, very straightforward. Yeah, all good. So this test case is true and second is false. So let's submit it for unseen test cases. So yeah, all good. As you can see, we beat 76% with respect to runtime and also 72 with respect to memory. So all good. So what's happening in the last part? So we first handle the base case where we either P or Q is nil, and then we check if the value of the current node P and Q are the same. So if they are not, we return false, and then we need to complete our function with main logic. So main logic is by recursing into the left and right subtree, and then we have our full Go solution. And condition ensure that both left and right subtree must be identical for tree to be considered the same. So if you are curious, I got implementation in other programming languages like Python, Rust, C++, and much more in the description below. And there we have it. We have just solved same tree problem in Go using depth first search. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash the like button and consider subscribing for more awesome content and adventure and tech news. And until next time, keep practicing, stay motivated, and happy coding!